Good morning, Wildcats. Today's announcements. Happy Monday. I hope you have a great week this week. I'll talk to you on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but have a great day. So you've maybe heard of the author George Eliot, and you know that George Eliot actually wasn't a George or an Eliot at all. George Eliot was actually the pen name of a woman who was Mary Ann Evans. Mary Ann Evans wrote several novels. Her most famous novel was probably Silas Marner. Silas Marner is the story about an angry, lonely, miserable old man, greedy, and he finds happiness, finally, by reaching out and helping somebody else. So the author, George Eliot, says this about doing the same. Live to make the world less difficult for others. So, Wildcats, that's the way to add value, right? Today, why don't you reach out to somebody who you know needs some encouragement? I would like to say to Dom Jungle, to Nona Schock, to Reed Martin, three people in my close circle who are all nurses. I'd like to reach out and say thank you for all that you do. Thank you for adding value. You're heroes. And so Wildcats, why don't you reach out to somebody today and do the same? It's a way to actually make yourself feel better if you're having a tough time. I love you, Wildcats. Have a great day today. Take care.